Hello, and congratulations on your new Glow Wand. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Charging. Connect the charging cable to the wand and plug into a power source. Fully charge before first use. Recharge at least once every 3 months. Step 2. Prep your skin. Remove all makeup and cleanse your face thoroughly. Step 3. Apply product. Apply your preferred moisturizing gel, serum, or eye cream. Step 4. Power on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate light therapy mode. Adjust the wand head to your preferred angle. Step 5. Use the wand. Apply firm, gentle pressure and move slowly over the areas you wish to treat. You may go back and treat the same areas several times during your session. Allow the program to run for the full 10-minute session. Step 6. Clean and store. The wand will automatically shut off when complete. Clean the wand using alcohol wipes or a soft, damp cloth. Let it dry completely before storing or next use.